Okay, I want you to read this example 5 in page 343 because this example 5 discuss the difference between what happened when NCI is measured at proportionate share and what happened when NCI is measured at fair value. But in the question there will be either one of this treatment. So bear in mind, when you are required to calculate NCI at fair value, you will be given this specific information in the question. Can you see here the word on the acquisition date? The fair value of S ordinary shares was RM1.25 per share. Okay, this is very important point. When the question provide you with this information, the fair value of S ordinary share, then only you can calculate NCI as measured at its fair value. When there is no information about the fair value of S, then you got no choice. You really have to calculate NCI using this option 1, which is NCI measured at its proportionate share of the net asset of subsidiary. So this question discuss the two different situations. You should know that you need to calculate correctly which one, because different method to measure NCI will result to different amount of goodwill. So in this page 344, okay, this is when NCI measured at its proportionate share of the net asset of subsidiary. So can you see here the amount of goodwill is 125,000. And in the next page, page 345, when NCI is measured at its fair value, the amount of goodwill is 150. So I hope that you can see from this example, if you calculate wrongly NCI, you will end up get the different amount of goodwill.